risk for today, Caroline.
That's right. That severe risk is going to be highest to the north and west of Houston. You can see this yellow color. That was the upgrade from the Storm Prediction Center. That's a level 2 on a scale of 5 with our primary concern, damaging wind and large hail not out of the question. That means if you've got a carport or a covered garage, I would recommend putting the car in there today just to be safe. Let's talk about that severe threat because we're already starting to see some thunderstorms well to our north. You can see we've got a thunderstorm watch in North Texas, but look at this, up near Madisonville, a thunderstorm pushing its way across Madison County. So far, everything has been very far to the north, and that's going to be where most of it is over the next few hours. But we will have the chance of some thunderstorms here in the Houston area, especially as we get towards the heat of the day. Once we get towards 2, 3 p.m., this is when you can see frequent lightning strikes, heavy downpours. Not only will we have that severe threat, but also a flood risk as well. 1 to 3 inches, not out of the question with all of these thunderstorms rolling through. And we're going to continue to stay active as we go through the next several days, especially on Friday night. But Brittany, Andy, I've got much more on our full storm timeline coming up.
A lot to go over. All right, Caroline, thank you.
In our far northern areas, this is along a stationary front. This is providing a lot of the lift that we need to see these thunderstorms. So a closer look is going to show you right now here in Houston, not dealing with anything. But if we look along I-45, the North Freeway, all the way up to Madisonville, that's where we have a thunderstorm. This storm is producing a heavy downpour, frequent lightning strikes. But if we put it in motion, you'll notice it is moving quite a bit. So thankfully, flooding not going to be a threat with that cell pushing through Madisonville. Future track is going to show as we head through the rest of the afternoon today, we're going to continue to be tracking those showers popping up even closer to the Houston metro. So through the afternoon, unsettled period, we're going to see the possibility of heavy downpours, frequent lightning strikes. Most of the activity should be staying to our north, but it is possible that we'll see it here in Houston as well. Once we head into the day tomorrow, that stationary front doesn't go anywhere, which means we're going to continue to see the possibility of showers and thunderstorms. Right now, timeline still looks to be like tomorrow afternoon, also going to be on the active side. Heavy downpours, frequent lightning strikes, maybe a brief gusty wind as well. You'll notice as we head into Friday morning, more showers pushing in, which is why as we go over the next several days, it's not just today, through Friday, you need to stay weather aware. In fact, Friday, that's when we're going to see a strong front push through the area. I think by Friday afternoon, some prefrontal storms are possible with that line of storms as that front pushes through. Friday evening, definitely have indoor plans. If you've got anything outside, make sure you have an indoor option. Things can get quite messy on Friday night before that front finally clears the area. Maybe some lingering showers Saturday morning, but by Saturday afternoon, the sunshine comes out, and that's when our forecast gets a lot better. Now, Friday, we do have a flood threat, which means travel could be on the hazardous side. You'll notice between now and Friday, widespread 2 to 3 inches, especially for locations north of I-10. The further north you are, the more likely it is that you're going to see the heavier thunderstorms. You'll notice in our extended forecast that front on Friday